Is your Airbnb calendar looking a little empty? You've got a great location and the perfect decor, but travelers are still scrolling right past you. Why? Because photos don't tell the truth, and they don't tell the full story. In 2026, guests are tired of wide-angle lies and confusing floor plans. They want to feel the flow of your home before they hit book. If you aren't using video, you're leaving money on the table. Enter Jeeves Drones. We don't take pictures, we create immersive, one-take cinematic fly-throughs and cinematic interview videos. We navigate the spaces other cameras can't reach, giving your guests a front row seat of the experience you've built. On VRBO, we help you win the first 15 seconds with native video that stops the scroll. And for Airbnb, even though they don't allow videos yet, we'll show you how to use our custom QR gallery hack to build instant trust and transparency. Video doesn't just look cool, it boosts your SEO, kills buyer's remorse, and virtually guarantees those 5-star reviews. It's the ultimate unfair advantage in a crowded market. Stop being just another thumbnail, bring your property to life, and fill your calendar today at jeevesdrones.com. Let's get you booked.